I love this hand cream. Hello everyone, it's Maureen, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the LuxyLemon battery power cases for the iPhone XS Max or XS Max as I always say it. We're here again to do what we always do, unboxing. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Maureen. This channel is kind of in tech stuff. I like unboxing cases, I like reviews or my first impression on cases. Usually I just unbox or give impressions on iPhone cases, which I'm obsessed about. If you like that, you can stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, here is the unboxing of the LuxyLemon iPhone XS Max case. I can hear something moving in there. I can see 3 cases and that's it. Okay, looking thick. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Very good presentation. In their boxes, they have their name, LuxyLemon. They sent me 3 battery power phone case in here for iPhone XS Max. There's one iPhone 8 Plus. Ooh, Yardley, here it is. Lucky woman. And inside the package, they also put 2 LuxyLemon ring holder stand. Now we're gonna start with this one right here. This is really nice packaging. It's just a cardboard or whatever box you call this, and it is a box like this, so you just gotta take that off, and then they have another box right in there, and there is the case. Hallelujah. It's kind of heavy. Ooh, I'm liking this. And they put it in a plastic, really thin plastic, and make it more special. And then here is the case. Oh my god. You have a case and it's charging by itself. This case is called the Black and Gold Metallic Marble Battery Power Phone Case. It is stylish and sleek marble design and easy on-off function. It's glossy and it's a little bit heavy. There isn't information right inside, and it says that please insert your iPhone from the top of the device and make sure it's in place, and carefully slide down. Do not tilt your phone and insert from bottom into port as it will damage charging port. I don't know, how do you charge this? Oh yes, you can charge this. Oh my god, this is really cool. Is it charging? No, so it's not charging yet. Let's do it. How do you take it off? Pull this down and then you can take it off. Let's do it again so you guys can see it. In there, and I'm gonna click this one and you guys see if it's charging. I can see scratches already in there, so it's not scratch free. This is open, and the sides, so that's how it looks like. See how kind of deep that is? Camera is gonna be safe from scratches. I'm going to use this just for charging purposes. This button where you can reach your silent and unsilent mode. That's the volume up and down. And then in here there's a space for the speakers. This is the part where you can charge your phone or charge the battery power case. This is where you turn off and turn on the charging. Now it's off, and then click it. Now it's on. Normal case like the Chroma, it's super lightweight. Of course, there's battery on this one. That's why it's kind of heavier than the normal iPhone case. As I was touching it from the back, it's not that hot when it's charging. So this is the power button. Then this is the power display right here. I don't know if you can see here. And it's saying that it's charging. One dot is 1% to 25%. Two dots is 25 to 50%. And then three dots would be 50 to 75%. And then the four dots is gonna be 75 to 100% charged. Just like what they said on their website. It's on a box. And it's a perfect gift idea. Whatever your celebration is, this is a perfect gift. You got it right here, perfectly on a case with a battery. You just gotta charge it right in there. This is really awesome. It's just really heavy for me, and I'm not really sure if I'd like to use this every day, but maybe when I'm running errands, can't find any charging areas that you can charge your phone. So you have this with you, and you can just charge it and just click that button and you're ready to go. I wanna try the ring holders right here. Oh, really cool. Maybe I don't know how to do this, guys, so let's put it that way. You can turn this ring around. Okay, this is what I'm worried about. While you're turning it, this sticky thingy is coming off. The adhesive on the ring holder, I don't think this is really good. If they want this ring to turn around the case, make a adhesive that would stick on the case really well. What I did, I took the adhesive off to make sure that the ring will turn around. So I held this one right there, and yes, it does turn around. So next we are going to unbox the other box, or to unbox the other case. And here it is. This one is the Pastel Canyon Marble Battery Power Phone Case. Both of them has decorations in the back, but then the sides are just plain black. Open right on top, bottom. I'm going to compare the case to a normal case. This is how it looks like. It's not really that thick. Maybe a little bit thicker than the Chroma case. So this is 1/2 inch probably. Just wanna attach our ring holder. This is kind of the same color with this case, so it's gonna be camouflaging. And stick it on the case. Let's put it in here. There it is. So it's camouflage in there. See how thick the ring holder is. So you can a little bit feel the protruding part right on the sides. It doesn't bother me at all. And again, you can turn the ring around. I think that this works really well with the adhesive right here because it's kind of strong. It's super strong, and then it's stuck in there super nicely rather than with this ring holder right here. I forgot to say that the name of the ring holder is the Pastel Canyon. This is the Black Diamond 360 ring holder. So that's why they called it 360, because you can turn around the ring itself. But again, as I've said, I just hope that they put really heavy duty adhesive there so that it will not come off. I think that's it with my unboxing, showing you guys these two cases, which is really cool, and the two ring holders. Yeah, you got 2 in 1 right here. You got a beautiful case, iPhone case, and then you got a charger. Because you guys are such a very good viewers, I have a surprise for you. LuxyLemon gave us a 30% discount when you buy their products on their website. Before you click the checkout button, don't forget to put Maureen 30 for your discount code, so you can get 30% discount on the products that you bought on their website of LuxyLemon. Thank you so much for giving us the 30% discount. And I am so happy with these cases, and I think I would use this whenever I'm going somewhere where I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to charge in an outlet. To just charge this 2 cases right here and I'm good to go. Again, I'm gonna put the 30% discount code in the description box. Don't forget about that, but I'm still gonna put it right here so that you guys can't forget it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!